What happens after age 40? Our bodies naturally produce less collagen as we age. Around our mid-20s, collagen production starts to decline slowly. By the time many people reach 40, they may notice more visible wrinkles, drier skin, reduced skin elasticity, joint discomfort, loss of muscle mass. Several factors speed up collagen loss: excessive sun exposure, smoking, high sugar intake, poor nutrition, chronic stress, lack of sleep. Aging cannot be stopped, but healthy habits can help support the body's natural collagen production. Signs of collagen loss. Common signs include skin, wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, dryness, hair and nails, hair thinning, brittle nails, joints and bones, joint pain, reduced flexibility, increased risk of injury, muscles, decreased strength, slower recovery. These changes vary from person to person because of genetics and lifestyle. Foods that support collagen production. The body needs nutrients to make collagen. Protein-rich foods: fish, chicken, eggs, lean meat, beans and lentils. Vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation. Oranges, lemons, guava, strawberries, bell peppers. Zinc-rich foods: nuts, seeds, seafood, chickpeas. Copper-rich foods: cashews, mushrooms, whole grains. Foods containing natural collagen. Bone broth, fish skin, chicken skin. A balanced diet is more important than relying on a single food. Collagen supplements. Do they work? Collagen supplements are available as powders, capsules, drinks, gummies. Some studies suggest that collagen peptides may help improve skin hydration and elasticity and may support joint health for some people. However, results vary. Supplements are not magic solutions. A healthy lifestyle remains essential. People with allergies or medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before starting supplements. Habits that protect collagen. Here are practical steps. Protect your skin from the sun. Use sunscreen and avoid excessive UV exposure. Avoid smoking. Smoking damages collagen and accelerates skin aging. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on protein, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Exercise regularly. Physical activity supports muscles and overall health. Sleep well. During sleep, the body repairs tissues. Manage stress. Long-term stress can negatively affect overall health. Myths about collagen. Myth 1. Collagen can make you look 20 years younger overnight. Fact. Healthy aging takes time and consistency. Myth 2. Only women need collagen. Fact. Men also lose collagen with age. Myth 3. Supplements alone are enough. Fact. Diet and lifestyle play a major role. As we reach 40 and beyond, our bodies naturally change. Collagen production slows, but healthy choices can support overall well-being. Remember these key points. Collagen is essential for skin, joints, bones, and muscles. Collagen naturally decreases with age. Good nutrition, exercise, sleep, and sun protection help support collagen health. Supplements may help some people, but they work best alongside a healthy lifestyle. Growing older is a natural journey. The goal is not to stop aging but to age with strength, health, and confidence. Thank you for your attention.